I'm Storm Tracker meteorologist Fred Companion. I just wanted to show a little computer model analysis dealing with some of the uncertainties that we have to look at with the forecast projection of Bill. This was actually a computer projection from late yesterday evening, and it's one of many that gave me a lot of confidence that this storm is going to miss us to the east. You can see Bill pretty well defined down here on the right hand side of the screen, and then it moves to the northwest, turning to the north, and then eventually to the northeast. And you'll notice, we'll go frame by frame here, that Bill ends up missing our coast by a pretty good distance here, with all of the precipitation associated directly with the storm remaining offshore. Be a little breeze on Nantucket and on Cape Cod, but nothing more than that. Now this morning, the new computer model information is telling a slightly different story, but overall, I'd say basically the same scenario, and that is that the storm misses us to the east. So this is what has been coming in this morning, and we'll stop this here. We'll do a little comparison. So about the same time, this is 8 o'clock Sunday morning, notice the storm a little bit closer to us. Some of the lighter shades of green in here indicating possibly a few showers showing up over Cape Cod and Nantucket. The real heavy stuff is this purplish color and the light blue back here, and that's still pretty well offshore. Flip back to the same time with last night's computer model run, and you'll notice that there's a pretty big difference there between the track of the storm, probably 50 miles or so to the west. So those are some of the uncertainties that we have to deal with, and this is a trend that we'll have to continue to watch. Right now it does still look like Bill is going to fall into the near miss category, and it also looks like Bill is going to be a major wave producer along the eastern seaboard. And this right here is one of our wave simulation models, and we will also stop this and take a look at it, and we'll go through and look at some of the incredible wave heights that may be generated by Bill. So right around the orange shading right here indicating 10 meters, so that's over 30-foot high waves. And notice as the storm moves over the next couple of days, and this is early tomorrow morning, pre-dawn hours, we're getting to wave heights in here close to the center of the storm of about 40 feet at that point. And the storm continues to move, peaking actually right in there with 15 meter waves, 50-foot waves right around the center of the storm as it moves past Bermuda and then up to the north. And you'll notice that on Sunday, this is going to be Sunday morning at about 8 in the morning, we're getting into some 6-meter waves showing up along our south coast. So what we would be talking about would be waves on the order of about 18 to 20 feet out in Cape Cod. So this is pretty impressive stuff here from the wave model. So it still looks like Bill is going to be a major wave generator and a lot of rough seas over the weekend off of the southern New England coastline. But at this point it appears that Bill still falls into the near miss category as far as wind and rain is concerned.